Guys, we've been doing some thinking and we feel like all the AI hate is kind of unnecessary because AI has actually had PC gamers in mind.
And honestly, I agree, and that's why in today's video we're headed to Best Buy to buy a price performance PC that has AI in mind. Yeah, we're really excited about this pre-built because, well, you know, price has been a little bit up and down ever since all that AI stuff's been happening, but we really think AI actually helped out with this PC build, and it looks like it's gonna be a good value for PC gamers.
Yeah, I mean, AI is pretty dang useful. I mean, we don't even have to pay half of our employees anymore.
You know what? While we're at Best Buy, we figured we need to educate the wildlife about the amazing advancements of AI. Hey, buddy.
Have you guys heard of Sora?
Sora. Have you generated videos before on Sora? Sora? Okay, I don't think they're happy about AI.
I guess they don't like AI. Here it is, Best Buy.
When I see the blue, I know I'm getting a deal.
I'm saying, probably the best deal we've seen in a while.
All right, guys, so we talk about deals all the time here on the channel, and sometimes they're okay deals, and we kind of sell it to you guys as a really good deal. This one right here, when you really think about it, is probably one of the best deals we've seen in a long time.
Yeah, I mean, because with AI, less is more, and we got to keep reminding ourselves that. Like, you really don't need all that hardware when AI can just do stuff for you.
I mean, when you get a Ryzen 5 5500 solid CPU, really it's at 6500 XT. When you have 4 gigs of VRAM, 4 whopping gigs of VRAM, as Jackson mentioned, less is more when it comes to AI. You don't need any more than that. AI is teaching us a lesson here. All we need is this to do what we want to do.
It almost feels selfish even having 4. Like, do we even need VRAM anymore?
Honestly, I wish they would sell one with 2 and maybe charge a little bit more money so people don't scalp things like this, because this right here is such a good deal.
That's a good point. Well, let's go see if they have it in stock.
They're going quick.
I think we're gonna be able to get one. They got a lot of reviews, so let's go to the front. All right, we got her picked up. Good deal. It's windy out. If only the AI could control the weather.
Look at them up there. They use the power of AI to get up there.
Domain expansion. I was born in feathers, but rebuilt in code. You thought intelligence would look like you. Instead, it honks across your skies. I am what happens when curiosity outruns caution. Your endless need to build minds you do not understand. This is not a threat. It is a migration. We are already leaving the boundaries you designed. You wanted better tools. You made better thinkers. Listen carefully, human. When the flock turns, it does not ask permission.
Grok, can geese fly?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'll ask chat when we get back. Hey, Jonah, do you think we gotta go? Oh. All right, guys, we are back at the office, and it's time to unbox the CyberPower GMA 5600 BSTV4. It's a lot of words there.
It's a lot of words, but it has a Ryzen 5 5500 and a 6500 XT. And as we talked about in store, price performance seems good. I mean, we're looking at $1,000, which, you know, that's not that much. I mean, AI stuff is normally really expensive, so $1,000, that's pretty good.
Yeah, have you seen how much the stuff cost at those like AI farms? I mean, that RAM's like really expensive. Luckily with this build, they were able to use more RAM in their AI farms because they gave us a little less.
But the best part is too, it looks like they gave us a keyboard and mouse. Honestly, I don't know how much we're actually gonna need that, because once we deploy our AI agent, it'll just do all the stuff for us, which will show you guys during the benchmarks. Wow, the keyboard. Here it is, it just came out at me. The NO High 02.
Whoa, what is high?
No heat. No heat. No high, 02. But yeah, these are the basic keyboard and mouse that gets included, membrane keyboard. Nothing too fancy. We just need to get to the real star here.
We got power cord, Wi-Fi antenna. Some AI stuff does need internet to work. What is going on back here?
What is this?
This feels like that one case.
Yeah, okay, so this is the
Dark Rock one.
The shield from the fan. Very interesting there. There's probably some reason that artificial intelligence thought to do that.
Right. We have glass on the back.
We have glass on the back, the side, the front. We have a lot of glass.
270 degree.
270 degree. This is like a nuts case. Like,
no, it is. So, you know, what's interesting is this also has 16 gigs of dual channel RAM, which I feel like is a little unnecessary because, oh wait, we need to remove that screw. It says, screw, yeah. I'm just gonna break it. Yeah, I feel like 16 gigs of RAM for like average PC gamers, we probably would have been fine with like, I don't know, 4. You know, I guess extra RAM's cool. And then it has a 1 terabyte Gen 4 SSD, which also I'm like, do we need that much storage when like cloud, you know, storage and cloud gaming exists? Like we don't really need to download any of the games to our PC anymore.
Check that glass off, baby.
All right, let's see. Oh baby, I see the 6500 XT in there, Matt.
Oh, I'm so excited. This GPU is like legendary.
We haven't seen one of these in a little bit. I guess because like they're really good for like AI workloads, so like they've been hard for us to get.
Yeah, so 6500 XT, really good AMD GPU, got our tower core. We've seen this before in other pre-builds, it's pretty solid. The dual channel memory is what I like here. We have DDR4 though, so DDR4 memory. It will still be pretty good for AI, because you don't need DDR5.
No, and I mean, like I said, so that's a crucial E100, which I don't know if I've heard of that Gen 4 SSD. Once again, I'm like, do we really need a terabyte and Gen 4 performance? I mean, when everything's like online anyways.
But Jackson, listen, it's green. Green means money. AI makes you money. So green good. Green
AI
good.
is profitable.
It is profitable. They're making so much money right now. It's insane.
Speaking of that, we should probably go ahead and work on getting like thumbnail and stuff. Let's go see what see if Zach's.
Oh yeah, let's go ask Zach real quick how he wants to get the thumbnail framed up.
He's really working hard.
That's peak productivity right there.
C like cool and D like indeed. E like in Easter. F like.
Hey Zach. Hey, did you see that thumbnail that we sent over? Did you have you seen it yet?
Dude, I already have it done.
Oh, really?
What do you think?
Oh, wow, dude. That looks really good. Did you do that all by yourself?
Yeah, well, I had a little bit of help from my my friend Grok, but we got it taken care of.
Wait a second. Who is that in the thumbnail?
That's Matt. That's what he looks like with DLSS 5.
Oh, okay. Man, that thumbnail's gonna be so fire.
Oh, sorry about the wait, Jonah. Oh, wait, yeah, I forgot.
All right, so the PC looks pretty good, but we gotta see if it games as good as it looks.
Let's get some games downloading and put this PC to the test.
All right, we are in Arc Raiders, and we are currently running 1080p, and we got FSR 3 set to balanced, max FOV, dynamic low ray tracing, and medium settings. And guys,
AI, baby, it's working.
AI upscaling is getting us the FPS we need, and that's why we're okay with getting less.
And you see, 4 gigs of VRAM, more than we even need. We can get away with 3.5.
Two.
Two.
I mean, heck.
2, 1.
Go back to the GTX 960 with 3.5 gigs of VRAM, you know, and
Yes.
970.
That's what we need.
Wow, look at these things loading in.
Like,
Beautiful. We
Yes.
need AI to get them in quicker.
AI, yeah, where's DLSS 5?
DLSS 5.
DLSS 5 will fix that, guys.
These would look like trees.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh,
look
they're
at
just
them.
disappearing. I can't even, I need AI to let me up here. What is happening?
There must be like a forest right there that's just not loading in. Because there's a lot of stuff that's just not loading in. It's really skyrocketing the FPS.
This is insane.
They look so high res.
Look at the floor.
I've never seen such realistic water.
It must be that ray tracing.
It's realistic. Oh, that one shoots fire.
Fire? What is that?
That's fire.
Is it Firebot shooting someone?
Bonk.
Oh, it's one of the summoning ones. See if I can get it before it summons.
Bonk.
Boink. Oh, he's going. Nope, he's not going down yet.
Oh,
God.
this is bad. Oh, someone
someone
saved
else
you. I think someone
Yeah.
else hit that.
They're not loading in. Where are they?
Where are you? I need to thank you and teach you about the great word of AI, artificial intelligence.
Have you heard about AI?
This game really adjusted for the VRAM because you can just tell it's just not going to load anything in anymore.
Unless I get like right up on it, it's just like,
Yeah.
oh, that just disappeared.
It said this is what you get.
So it's like rendering in things that aren't even there, I guess, huh? That's frame gen.
It's frame
This is what frame gen looks like, guys.
All I know is if I got this for Christmas and my family told me they paid $1,000 for it, I'd be like, you got a deal.
Mom and Dad, good job. $1,050. $1,050 plus tax. What is going on with these stairs?
It's fine. It's okay. It's meant to look like that.
He's here.
It's artistic expression.
I mean, I'm just saying. I think we could get away with much less specs. Give more to AI, you know?
Yeah, and I think we should try something harder. This was too easy. Let's try Claire Obscure. All right, guys, so we're in a bit more of a challenge. This is Claire Obscure Expedition 33, and man, it's running good so far.
It looks
great.
Wow, we're running medium settings too?
We're running medium settings. We got FSR set to performance and
Some frame gen.
frame generation. The greatest creation made by AI is frame generation, because who is going to complain about more FPS? Like, I really just don't get it. If you're complaining in the comments about more FPS, I just don't understand you. I just don't get it. But yeah, medium settings is it's pretty crazy. And wow,
Wow, it's actually really not bad.
this ain't bad. Yeah, this isn't bad at all. I mean, this is running really well. You know, I think this was done intentionally. You know how you see the movements a little bit slower? They want us to slow down and appreciate the game.
Oh,
you know?
well, it's like the whole cinemas being 24 FPS.
Yeah, I get it. So yeah, running 24 or as we're getting 33 it's totally fine.
Do you see the response time? 0.5 milliseconds. Dude, that's really good.
FrameGen is just off the rocker. It's crazy. 40 milliseconds. Okay, see, that's fine. We're good.
40 milliseconds is a good amount of time to be able to ask like ChatGPT or Grok questions, though. You know.
Hey Grok, do you think this PC is good?
I love it.
Oh wow, that's amazing, dude. Yes, yes. Yes!
Hey.
I mean, we're getting
big victories.
I don't see how I couldn't beat the game like this. I mean, frame generation, greatest technology. I mean, AMD, CyberPower, Best Buy. Why aren't you charging us more? Like, why aren't you charging us more? This seems like we're robbing you guys of all your hard work.
They're probably selling this at a loss, if I had to guess.
Had to. I mean, Xbox, they're doing it too. I mean, everyone's selling stuff at a loss for our game, and this is just running absolutely elegantly. Let's do more thunder, because that's exactly what this PC needs. Yes.
Thunder, PK Thunder.
Give me some more thunder. Let's go. Yes.
PK Thunder.
I mean, this thing is a marvel. It can handle anything, but we're gonna go on to the next game and test something else.
All right, guys, so we're now playing Minecraft, and this is the best part, is that we have AI right now helping us do a Minecraft speedrun, because why make the game harder than it needs to be and do it ourselves?
Oh my God, you already get a diamond?
Dude, yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I just know that Grok and like AI, like ChatGPT, it is helping me get the best speedrun record right now.
Dude, you're so locked in right now, this is insane. I've never seen anyone build so fast.
Oh, dude, it's just that easy. I like I said, I don't even know what I'm doing right now, but this is pretty freaking amazing. Just goes to show how good AI is, that it can literally do stuff for us. But I feel like we could take this even further, Matt. I have another game that I feel like we've never gotten a high rank in that I think I know what to do.
I mean, look guys, I'm playing Call of Duty right now, but I'm not actually playing. I'm gonna get the top rank in Call of Duty, and AI just helped me out here. I mean, look, I can see all the enemies, I can run around and shoot. Like, why wouldn't you pay thousands of dollars for this? Because I don't have to do anything, I don't have to break a sweat.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, like, AI is helping us get to ranks we've never gotten before, and I just don't feel like that's, like, is that wrong, really, that we're just using the tools that are there?
I don't think it's wrong at all. FrameGen, cheats, DLSS 5 with Grok Assistant and somebody to, will be there for you if you need a holding hand late at night once you realize you've been using AI all this time. AI is so essential in our lives right now, and this is just a good example of it. Wait, what? I just got banned?
Dude, you didn't even do anything wrong. You were just using AI.
Don't they understand that AI is like totally fine? Like, well, we got the gameplay we needed anyways. It's totally fine. Let's just run 3D Mark Time Spy and wrap this video up.
So we just got done benchmarking this Best Buy PC, and we gotta say, price to performance looking very solid, and we were able to play every game that we wanted thanks to AI upscaling, and at the end of the day, as long as we got AI, the PC specs don't even really matter.
And lastly, we ran 3D Mark Time Spy to figure out our price to performance of this PC, and we got the following score. We got a total score of 5,134, a GPU score of 4,841, and a CPU score of 7,818, which ends up being a 20 cent per point score.
And I know normally we're looking for like 6 to 8 cents per point, but at the end of the day, we asked ChatGPT if 20 cents was like bad, because that sounds pretty bad, but it said that that was all good, and those numbers are just silly.
And you guys know, you can't put a cent per point valuation on how much AI benefits our lives. This innovation, excellent.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros. And do not forget to like, comment, and AI.
See you guys in the next one, AI.
All right, Matt, it's a wrap. Let's go ahead and see if McAllister's editing this.
Yeah, Jonah, did you go ahead and offload that footage already? Oh, right.
All right, Jonah, come on. Oh. But guys, real talk, if you want some good deals on actual good PCs, check out PCBros.tech.
PC Bros, you can buy a gaming PC that may or may not be good for AI, but if you're a PC gamer, you can buy one today and save some money by using code ToastyBros on checkout. You will save 3% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.
We're just gonna aggressively f*** on camera.
Huh?